This is a Cessna 140A Cotton Clipper Cutie. Here's a little aircraft model display at the museum. These aircraft look like they were probably built from a local IPMS club here in El Paso. Very nice. This is a Piper PA-18 Super Cub. This is a North American AT-6F Texan. I really need to get me a selfie stick so I can put it up there in the air. Very nice aircraft, very pretty. Here's the Vultee BT-13B Valiant. Beautiful, beautiful aircraft. Here is the Boeing Stearman PT-17 Cadet. Another beautiful aircraft on display. Here's a T-38 Talon, T-38B Talon, with Holloman markings on it. This was donated by NASA. Has the Aggressor paint job. Beautiful. Here's the T-37 Tweet, and this was the primary trainer for the Air Force for many years. There are many bases here in Texas that had these aircraft. Texas was a big fan of having undergraduate pilot training. I have a good friend of mine that I work with, Rick Laws. He was a instructor pilot on these here in Texas, and he ultimately flew F-111s over Iraq. So, pretty cool dude. It's really cool to hear his stories, his talks that he has flying the Aardvark, and the stories he had on these with his student pilots along with the T-38. It's a beauty. I always liked this paint job that they put on these Tweeties over just the pure white ones that they had. They also had a bomber version of this too, a T-37B. But this is very nice. Here's Lockheed T-33A. This T-33A, or Canadar CL-30 Silver Star 3, is in all natural metal, polished metal. Beautiful.